Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, fluffy pancakes from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your ingredients, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook those delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water. They should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Then, flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Your fluffy pancakes are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh berries, or whipped cream. If you're making a large batch, you can keep cooked pancakes warm on a baking sheet in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They are perfect for a weekend breakfast or a special treat any day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pancake feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.